One overview. One working process. The circulating medium enters the drill hole from the annular gap between the drill pipe and the hole wall, and then returns to the hole from the drill pipe. After that, this medium passes through the faucet and the slag discharge pipe for the surface sediment pool, and is purified and flows into the hole again. This way of cycle is called reverse circulation rotary drilling method. The reverse circulation rinsing fluid has a rapid rising flow rate and has a good slag discharge effect. The rock and soil is discharged to the surface without repeated crushing. In general, the maximum rotational speed can reach 20 to 30 meters per hour, and the average speed can reach 6 to 7 meters per hour, which is several times higher than the normal circulation method. Because the slag discharge effect is good, reducing the repeated crushing, the service life of the drill bit is significantly increased. Because the flow rate of the rinsing fluid in the annular gap is very slow, the damage to the pore wall is small. As long as the water height is set reasonably, the water level in the hole is more than 2 meters above the groundwater table, and the stable liquid column pressure is maintained. The drilling will not generally collapse. The clearance effect is good, and the bottom residue of the hole is less than 5 cm, and the drilling speed is fast. The cost is low, and the duration is short. 3. 1. High-pressure air is sent from the air compressor and the outer ring space of the air duct. A double drill pipe enters the air and water mixing chamber. 2. The compressed air in the mixing chamber expands to form a liquid-gas mixture that has a lower density than the mud. Driven by high-pressure gas, the mixture races along the drill pipe, driving mud in the hole and drilling slag to flow upward. 3. The three-phase flow of air. Rinsing liquid and cuttings flow to be surface sedimentation tank. Then the air escapes, and the drill collar settles, and the flushing fluid flows back to the bore hole. Gas lift reverse circulation tools include liquid and gas separator. Liquid has output hose, gas faucet, double wall drill pipe, air and water mixer, single wall drill pipe, centralizer, bead. The advantage, as long as the high-pressure air machine provides high compressed air, it can get into the deeper hole, 150 to 200 millimeters. Gas lift reverse circulation adopts a double wall drill pipe, which utilizes the annular gap between the double pipe strings to deliver air. Reverse circulation back drilling bit. The wing bit drilling into the soil, hop bit drilling and the cone bit drilling into the rock. 4. Precautions in construction. The water level in the hole should be 2 meters above groundwater. Mud can be used when the stratum is usable and the holes are deep and the construction periods are long. The suction system is tightly connected, firm and smooth. Before starting the gravel pump, the distance between the drill bit and the bottom of the hole should be greater than 0.2 meters. When connecting the drill pipe, suspending the drilling or lifting the drilling tool, the drill shall continue to cycle for 1 to 2 minutes after stopping the rotation, and then stop the pump after the drilling slag is